Okay, good morning. Yep, so we have 11th of April 2018 today. I'm going to make a short video about this Apple Watch. Recently came for who's not actually charging. So what we did, we ordered a battery online, received this battery, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So this is the watch. Put the battery in. This was the battery we received, which was this color. So what happening with this battery, that it did charge for, let's say, a couple of weeks, 2 weeks. It did work for at least 2 weeks, and then after that it just got stuck on Apple logo. So I'll try and arrange these Apple watches, and I opened one of these and tried his battery, this battery from here on this watch, and it's working. So it's working fine, it's charging and everything. But what it's doing with this battery, which I ordered online, this battery shows nothing but an Apple sign, and then it just goes off. So it might going back to the seller who bought it from eBay. Let me just switch off this power off, and let's just disconnect this battery. Let me go back to my position. Let me adjust the cam. You can't see. Okay, should be fine. Okay, I'm looking for one of my tweezers since yesterday. Couldn't find it. Oh, it's there. Let me just get my tweezer. Got it. Right, so let's go ahead and check this. What's this battery doing? Blah blah blah. I'm gonna disconnect this battery, and we'll see what's this battery doing. Come on, darling. There you go, disconnected. I want to check one thing about this battery. It's strange. I don't know if it's the same or not. Let me just test it with multimeter. And the reading, how much they are charged. Okay, this is a black one. Oh, the lights are off. Hey, here we go. kind of time consuming that you have to adjust this cam and that cam and every cam. Trying to test the voltage on this. Battery point. Oh, okay. Wrong place. So you've got 4.30 volt in this battery. Let's check this one. So it's got 2.92. This is the problem with this battery, that it's not storing enough voltage. Okay, I'm gonna connect this battery in. Watch. Okay, I'm gonna check what does that do. Okay, that is on now. Battery is connected. You can't see it, can you? Let me adjust it. So we'll see under microscope. It's very blur. Okay. Yeah, so this is the battery. It's connected here. Now let's charge it. So this is what it does. It does come up with the Apple logo, and this is it basically. Nothing else after that. With this battery, it came out from this watch. This is kind of came to replace the housing. I'm going to take the board out from here and put another one. Just wanted to make sure this display coming on this one. There's no display on this one too, so anyway. But this battery is working fine. This one, there you go. This is what it's doing. This battery is charging here. This does not charge here as well. So this was, I left it on this battery, on this watch to charge it. Still just charge up to 2.92 volts as you've seen it. After that it's just nothing but blank screen. Right, anyway, so this what's problem with this watch is that it initially came for the different type of error. Comes up when the battery is totally empty, comes up a green sign on the wire and all that kind of stuff. When you connect that, then it starts charging, and once it's charged, then it comes out from this logo, shows this logo, and then comes to the normal screen. But with this one, it's not doing anything, just the Apple logo. So this video I was making to explain if you have this kind of problem, this is battery. Change the battery and you're all okay. So this is it. I'm going to finish this video here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to disconnect the battery again. Yeah, and disconnect the battery here, and I will check that with this battery one more time to just make it 100% clear that this is the battery which is causing the issue. So this is out. Now let's check the voltage on this battery. So the voltage on this battery, do you want this? Honest by the person, otherwise I'm throwing it. It's broken. Show honest by, maybe you want to use it for something. Yeah. 3.06. Okay. What I will do, see that this one is strange. Even without battery it does the same. So I'm just testing all these watches, what kind of behavior, or how they're behaving with battery, without battery, and all that. This battery will come on straight away, not a problem. Let's check that. There you go. Yeah, so this one with another battery now, and that would come to the normal screen. Taking ages. Hey? No.
It's showing O2,
Yeah.
but no network.
This
It's
is
showing the same O2.
okay. It's showing the same logo, no O2 and everything, but no.
When you go in the menu,
Let's have a look. The
there's
Bosch.
a SIM card option.
Yeah, yeah.
So it says the O2 inside.
This is what it is. Yeah. So yeah, this watch. You see that this came on, and we have a problem with this battery. This going back to the seller. We have a problem with the battery. Anyway, thanks for watching. So I'm gonna record another video. Stay tuned with our channel. Take care. Tada. Bye bye.